Let's talk about my number one favorite final expense insurance company. It's called Oxford Life, and it's really not close. Here are the bullet points at the top right. Oxford Life bullet point names favorite final expense carrier. Number one, very low rate. At the very bottom of every page of NAAIP.org, there's a bunch, just about 100 links there. Sales tools left side. Scroll down a little bit. Final expense quarter 37 carriers. Well, we could see right there that Oxford Life is the lowest priced out there. You also have a phone script, selling by phone. We click this, you'll scroll over to your state. The default state is Alabama, so move it over to your state, and you'll see companies such as Transamerica, Mutual, Voma, Foresters, America, you name it, they're all in there. And Oxford Life has the lowest price, and that's something that's good. Let me look at these other bullet points. High compensation, in fact, very high compensation. We go right here to the bottom again. Oxford Life at very low rates. It's part of the 125 FEX club, but that's besides the point. What I could tell you on here on this page, it's 120% directly from the insurance carrier, and my company will give you a bonus for every $1,000 of sales, which is paid at the end of the year. You do the math, but it is exceptionally good commission. Normally when companies have low rates, they have low commission, but in this case, it's not true if you're dealing with NAAIP.org. Very simple application. Let's look at the bullet points about final expense. They're right here. These are some links. You've got the height and weight chart. You've got the rate card. You got the sample application. Click that. There's 12 yes, no questions. If your client can answer no to those 12 questions, there's a 95% chance they will be accepted. After you fill out that application, there's something called Instawrite, a accepted or declined from the insurance company in 7 seconds. If it's done online, if it's done in a telephonic manner, it'll take a few minutes, but they're only getting name, date of birth, social security number. There's a pharmacy check. That's your acceptance or decline. Let's go to the next bullet point. Relatively easy underwriting. You've got a 2-year look back on the major issues, then insulin-dependent diabetics, which is very common nowadays. If the people have been diagnosed even at age 30 years old, they will be accepted at a preferred rate, which is really good. Not everything is rosy. This is face-to-face sales only. You're dealing with unsophisticated, lower-income people. Very bad experience with quite a few companies who got out of the telephonic market. Now they're doing face-to-face only. We've got lead programs. That's another bullet point that's important to you. Since Oxford Life is our number one favorite carrier, we want to encourage you to sell it. We work with other carriers, but this one pulls the cake. Facebook leads. It's a very common way for insurance agents to get leads nowadays. We will set up your Facebook lead account if you sell this product. What I'd like you to do to start with us, go to our main page, which is naaip.org. Sign up for an account, which will give you an agent website. This is free forever. There's no strings or catches. We'll help you put it on your own domain name, and tell you what to do to the proper steps to move your website up the search engine. This is free. There's no strings or catches. Afterwards, you'll notice that we offer quite a few companies at exceptionally high commission. Oxford Life is just one of them, but this is the company we want you to sell. This company offers other products such as annuities and single premium whole life, but I've noticed that this final expense product has done exceptionally well. My company has a conference call 6 days a week. Weekdays at 12 noon Eastern Time, Sundays 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Looking forward to speaking to each and every one of you on an individual basis. Have a terrific rest of the day.